Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Thanks to the universe for this beautiful day. Welcome to Fluent English with Shah. I write beautifully and teach beautifully. Today is day 10 of our 30 days spoken English challenge. If you want to speak English confidently and fluently, you must learn common phrases used by native speakers. In today's lesson, I will teach you 20 useful English phrases that will make you sound more natural and confident. So, ladies and gentlemen, let's get into the video. I am going to teach you 20 common English phrases for daily use. 1. What's up? Used to greet someone casually. 2. Long time no see. When you haven't seen someone in a while. 3. I am just kidding. Used after a joke or playful remark. 4. That makes sense. To agree that something is logical. 5. Don't take it personally. When you don't want someone to feel bad. 6. It's up to you. Letting someone decide. 7. No worries. Used to say it's okay or don't worry. 8. I am on my way when you are heading to a place. 9. I will be with you in a minute. When you ask someone to wait briefly. 10. I couldn't agree more. When you strongly agree with someone. 11. That's a good point. A way to acknowledge a good argument. 12. I have no idea. When you don't know something. 13. Let me think about it. When you need time to decide. 14. I will get back to you. When you will respond later. 15. That sounds great. When you approve of an idea. 16. I appreciate it. A polite way to say thank you. 17. What do you mean? When you need clarification. 18. I see what you mean. When you understand someone's point. 19. Can you repeat that please? When you didn't hear something clearly. 20. Let's catch up soon when you want to meet someone again. Now that you know these 20 essential English phrases, start using them in your daily conversations. The more you practice, the more fluent you will become. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to Fluent English with Shah. See you tomorrow for day 11 of the 30 days spoken English challenge.